so you're catching one.
Currently in our area, 48 degrees under clear skies. Tonight, cloudy intervals, low 40, winds south-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Saturday, partly cloudy, near record high temperatures, high 70, winds south-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Saturday night, overcast, low 43, winds south-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.